Hi, I'm Cindy, hairstylist and beautician, using the products from South Africa's leading hair and beauty supplier. The common complaints that I receive from people with natural curls are scalp irritations, dandruff and dry hair in total. This is because the natural oil from the scalp struggles to travel down the coily hair shaft, and this leads to dry hair and irritated scalps. OSMO Curl Revival, formulated for irritated scalps and hydrates curly hair to keep their most natural shape. OSMO Curl Revival Shampoo is a mild foam that cleanses the scalp and helps to keep the hair naturally curly. OSMO Revitalizing Conditioner, very light and doesn't weigh your curls down. It contains resurrection flour that helps to plump your curls and keep them voluminous. OSMO Re-Energizing Gel, a water-based formula that's non-sticky and can be used to refresh your curls throughout the day. OSMO Curl Revival. Nothing works like you. It's your power.